Okay, all kinds of stuff you can do to fix certain things. You just have to kind of think about it. Hey, what would Joe do? How would Joe get that fixed? Okay, what else did I do? Well, I had some cut-in boxes that were loose. Some of these outlets were loose, and they were initially installed with a fixed box here, and then they installed a 4-hour timer for the air conditioner, and a cut-in box was put here. This existing outlet box was pulled out, cut out, and removed, and then a cut-in box was put right in the very same place using the very same plug, outlet, and everything. This is for the air conditioner. It gets plugged in here. Now the 4-hour timer, the power goes from here, then the 4-hour timer controls this plug, and then the air conditioner works, and then your handheld will work on the air conditioner only when you've got power on and the power is turned on here. Well, these cut-in boxes, a couple were loose, so I had to pull those apart and fix them, and I just happen to have an extra cut-in box right here that I brought over here, and see, it's got little flaps on it like that come up, and then here's one like that. I just put some screws in this box, see, like that, and then this screw here gets screwed in, and this sucks this plastic goodie up against the back side of the box. And because this cut-in box it's plastic, see, it's got ears. Most boxes don't have ears. These ears then push over the top of the sheetrock. Okay, that's what holds the front of the box. The back of the box is sucked in. Well, this is sucked into the back when you tighten this screw. See, it goes down like that, and once you tighten the screw, doink, you put the box in like that. You start tightening the screw. The first thing you turn to the right, and this plops up. See how that turns the screw? And then that sucks into the back. And then when you install your wall switch or your duplex outlet, see how it's got that little notch in there? Then you cut the tabs, the little ears off your plug, and it fits in there so it doesn't stick out. If you didn't do that, those ears fit here, then your cover plate may not fit up nice and tight to the wall. So all kinds of stuff you can learn on my channel. You just have to get in there and start watching some of these videos.